What's going on? So today we got a video from Body Cam Edition, and the title of the video is entitled "Nurse Caught Red-Handed Stealing Hundreds from Target Before Work." So let's get into the video. Let's see what they talking about here.
On January 1st, 2025, officers were called to Target for an active shoplifting incident. A woman dressed in medical personnel attire was spotted concealing merchandise in her coat and heading for the exit, where police and loss prevention were waiting.
I don't know. Some of them AI voices be sounding crazy. They must be ready to. She probably gonna come walking out or something. Line her up. Catch her as she coming out. Oh, here we go.
When you said I thought.
Glasses on. Where you going? Okay.
Hello, officer.
Hello.
Sorry.
Hi.
It's too late to cover her face now. The other one, the little asset protection, we already seen what she looked like.
I didn't mean to do this. I can pay this.
Okay, so she has in her purse around $300 worth of unpaid merchandise. So just take everything out, okay?
Yeah, I'll pay for it.
Yeah, take it out.
All right. No, I was gonna give it to somebody. Okay? I'll pay for it. I promise.
Right now it's too late, right? To pay for it. You already tried stealing it.
No, but I can always pay, right, sir?
No, you cannot.
Huh?
You already passed it into bills.
But I'll pay for it.
Have a seat, please.
Have a seat. Do you have any ID on you?
No, I don't have.
You don't have any identification?
It's in my car.
It's in your car? Okay. What kind of car do you have?
I'll pay for it.
What kind of car do you have?
Just don't ruin my name.
Huh?
Just don't ruin my name.
Don't ruin your name?
Yeah. I
Okay.
promise. I pay
You
for it.
ruined your own name. So I'm gonna need your name. Have a seat. Do you have anything on your person that may hurt anyone, like needles, knives?
Why was she smiling? Like,
Don't listen. Put everything down. I didn't ask you to do that. Take off that jacket for me. Put it over here. Don't go in your pockets. Listen to my instructions, okay?
Okay.
Stand up. Take that jacket off. Place it right over here. Right over here. Place the jacket over here. Right there. Put your hands up. Turn around. Okay, have a seat. Have a seat.
All right.
Is this your jacket? I'm sorry? Yes?
It's mine too.
Is this yours?
Yeah.
No, that's mine.
It's brand new.
Yeah. Stop lying, man. Why are you lying?
No, bro, I put it over there in the bag. I'll pay for it.
Those are Ray-Bans.
Yeah.
Can I take a picture of you just for our records?
But there always says you can pay for it.
No, not at Target. Only at Walmart. Not at Target, okay? Target's really serious about theft and all that stuff.
I know, but there's always saying you can pay for it.
At Walmart, not in here. No, you cannot pay for it no more, okay?
Well, can I resolve it? It's New Year.
So,
Please.
I know.
damn, he said at Walmart you could do it, not Target. Maybe that's why they always be stealing at Walmart. I know Target, they got like a big I was just watching a documentary on it. They got like a big like warehouse loss prevention place. Like I forget where it's at, but like where they watch all the cameras. Like Target is on point. I'm not gonna lie. Target is on point. I forget what documentary that was. But yeah, it was pretty interesting too. Like but yeah, Walmart. If you're gonna take something, you shouldn't do it regardless, right? But if you are going to take something, why wouldn't you take something from like a smaller mom and pop's place that maybe doesn't have security all the way up the par versus, J.C. Penney's or Walmart or Target, Best Buy, places like that. It's like, come on, these are big companies. Like they shit is up to par.
Give me 220. So, ¿por qué está robando, oiga? ¿Por qué?
No, I'm not. I don't speak
You
Spanish.
don't speak Spanish? Where are you from?
Philippines.
Philippines? Oh, okay. When did
But
you get
sir,
here?
listen. I can pay for this. I'm
Too late.
professional.
Too late. I'm professional too, and I gotta do my job.
Sumaya. Sumaya is your middle name?
Yeah, opo.
Huh?
Opo. Yes, sir.
Okay. And your last name is
Yeah. Listen, I know this stuff. I know that when you do that, you can always pay. So
No, you
don't go through it too much. It's New Year.
I don't
I'm
care
very
if it's New
sorry.
Year.
Please.
I don't care.
Please, sir.
No, this you're saying $300.
I'll pay for it. I'll pay for
No,
it.
you cannot.
what is your address?
You're on
Ma'am,
my
do me a favor. Don't argue with him.
Okay.
Okay? Everybody has a job to do, right?
Okay.
This is his job, is to catch people who steal, right? If the company has an ordinance that they're not going to let anybody go past a certain amount, then that's his job to continue and follow that ordinance.
Okay.
It's not yours to dictate whether or not he could let you go or now you want to pay for all the shit that you took. Okay?
Can I pay for it? Because I have to give it to somebody tonight, please.
She don't listen. He just went through this whole spiel and she don't listen. Man, Philippines? Damn, I like my Filipino people, but she's tripping. She think that gonna work like when she was back in the Philippines, you know, just flirt with a little foreigner or something and get what you want or whatever the case may be. Cause you seen in the beginning, she was kind of flirting with the cop. She tried to touch him and she like smiling, patting her eye at him and all this other stuff. Like, come on now. You in the States, that ain't working.
I still have a patient to go. So if I can pay for it, I know
What do you do for a living?
I'm a nurse.
You're a nurse? A registered nurse?
See, look.
Or
I'm a registered nurse.
Registered nurse? Okay. What brings you over here?
No, I have a patient nearby here in North Latrobe. So I go past
On North
this.
Latrobe?
Yeah.
Okay.
I didn't mean to, like what I said, I'll pay for it. It's New Year. I know Walmart does that, but I know you do.
How many times have you been arrested for retail theft? Never? What about theft in general?
No, never. It's just first time because I'm rushing.
Okay, let's try this again. How does the name on your license appear? Because you're not coming back with no record. Okay?
We can go to my car,
He
but I
what?
want to pay this because I want to.
Hold on a minute. He what?
Marifi Sumaya
Okay. Is the name Sumaya,
middle name.
is that spelled out in your license?
Sumaya. That's Filipino.
Can you give me a copy of the video and stuff?
Yes, sir. You have a USB?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, I can put it in there.
And also, do you have any complaint forms?
Yes, I do.
Are they the new ones?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes. It's the same thing, the same way. You get the number receipt, the same way.
That's crazy. They got her in 4K, boy. Pump the brakes. Look at the brother. Look out.
Turn around.
Yeah. Going down to the counter.
All right, let's go.
I'm not running.
Huh? What'd you
Very
say?
sorry for me.
You're very sorry for you? Okay.
I'm married to a cop.
You're married to a cop? No, you're not.
I am in New Hampshire. Starting. Look it up.
New Hampshire?
Yeah.
Where's that? In the state of New Hampshire? Oh, okay. So he's not a cop anymore?
I used to be U.S. Air Force.
Huh?
I used to be U.S. Air Force.
He used to be reserved?
Yeah. My son too.
Looks like you the only screw up in the family.
The
then.
woman was charged with felony retail theft, booked and later released with a scheduled court date. In this next case, Target Loss Prevention detained a suspect in their office after she attempted to leave the store with $600 in unpaid merchandise.
Oh,
She
there's
appeared to
multiple
believe
cases?
she would simply complete paperwork and be released, but officers arrived.
Oh, multiple cases.
Hey, look, it wasn't my mom's, okay? It wasn't my fault. It made
You just said you weren't calling the cops.
Yeah, but
You
it's
said
just
that
the
3 different
system
times.
alerted them, so but you have to sign right here.
I'm not signing a blank piece of paper.
Alright, well, I mean, you
There's
still
no
gotta deal with
paper.
them.
Yeah, clearly.
Yeah.
Like, thanks for lying to me,
Do
dude.
you have your ID or driver's license?
No, I just gave him the information I had. I don't have an ID. I'm trying to catch the bus. This is crazy. I didn't know that he promised he wasn't calling the cops, but I wasn't stealing just to steal, sir.
Okay, but you were stealing it, right? Right?
Am I going to jail or something? Can we get my
How much
is
664. It's basically all this. What's your last name?
664?
Yep.
All the shopping cart?
Am I going to jail right now?
She stole $600 something dollars.
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know?
You
How do
definitely
know?
going to
Because I don't know
jail.
what happened yet. I haven't talked to them. I'm just asking you for your information.
I just want to know if I'm going to
Yeah, I know you're in a huge rush.
I'm not in a rush that.
I
want to know if
don't
I'm
know
going to
if
jail.
you're going to jail. I haven't talked to him yet.
Okay.
Have you heard me talk to anybody but
No,
you since I walked
that's
in here?
not
So
right.
slow down.
Okay.
You're not going anywhere till we're done.
Yeah, clearly.
Clearly. What's going on?
So basically, she was shot coming in, had a huge bag. She started putting merchandise in her bag as she was walking the floor. Found her bag, and after that, she came up to the front, passed all the check lanes, went downstairs without paying for it, and that's when we brought her up.
Okay. How much stuff has been taken?
664.
Okay. What do you guys want done? Do you want her arrested?
Yeah.
Okay.
Really? Wow. That's crazy.
You take your purse
Sick.
off. You want to stand up.
After all, listening to following me good.
Drop the bag.
You ain't in a rush now.
Nope.
Put the bag on the ground. Stay on your back, okay? Okay.
I have a book and a half game. Can I fill this out?
Just drop it up.
Go, wait, do I have to spend the night in jail tonight too?
Huh?
Do I have to spend the night in jail?
We'll explain everything later.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I want my bag and my
Yep.
purse.
You'll get it.
Please and thank you.
Nothing illegal in there, right?
No.
That we have to worry about? Guys, we're gonna search.
Yeah, I got it.
You have anything on your person? There's a female officer that searches you in lockup.
Good.
I'm not signing that piece of paper because there's nothing on that piece of paper.
Okay.
So,
Gotcha.
yeah. I don't like how that was like it.
Okay.
He lied to me, obviously. Not that it matters. I did something wrong. You know what I mean? Like, I get it. But that's not how this played out.
Nothing else, right?
No.
Because we're gonna have a female search.
That's fine. Oh my god. That was so rude. These fucking dude, fuck. Target sucks.
First of many offenses I'll probably have throughout my homeless experience and career.
You, yeah, blame Target for your actions of stealing. Like, come on, like, honestly, really? This is what we doing now?
I'm sorry, but I didn't do the crime, so I guess I gotta do. I hope they don't fucking make me spend the night in jail today.
The woman spent the night in jail and was charged with felony retail theft before being released the next day with a scheduled court date.
That's what you get. That's what you get. Blaming everybody else for your actions. Come on, man. You know when you're doing right and you know when you're doing wrong. Take your punishment. Take your punishment like a woman. I think the officers did pretty well. Let's see. Second case really wasn't much. So I'm pretty much go off the first case. I think they did a good job, man. So I definitely give them like 4 out of 5. 4 out of 5 because they had to do the stakeout. Boom, boom. You know what I'm saying? Let her come. Catch her red-handed. You know what I mean? I like all that. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, yeah, 4 out of 5, man. How well do you think the officers did? Let me know in the comment section, and I'll catch you in the next video.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.